We are now honored to invite, representing Asia E University's founder president, Datuk Dr. Ansari Ahmad. Please welcome Yang Berusaha, Professor Dr. Nur Raihan Abdul Hamid, Vice Chancellor of Asia E University.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very good morning. Salam sejahtera and salam Malaysia Madani. Mrs. Nur Hasanah Badruddin, Senior Director, Division of Industry, Environmental, Social and Governance, Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry, MITI, representing the Minister of Investment, Trade and Industry. Her Excellency, Orla Tony, Ambassador of Ireland to Malaysia. Professor Dr. Muhammad Shafri Muhammad Rahim, Vice Chancellor, University Technology Malaysia. Mr. Philip Eden, Executive Vice President Intuition. Mrs. Raihani Rahman, Special Project and PMO, MAB Academy. Professor Technologist, Dr. Zainura Zainun Nur, Organizing Chairperson, Future Ready ESG Conference, our distinguished guests and speakers, ladies and gentlemen. It is both a pleasure and honor for me to welcome all of you to the Future Ready ESG Conference. I am deeply heartened to see so many dedicated professionals, change makers, and thought leaders gathered here today, united by our shared commitment to sustainability, good governance, and responsible business practices. The theme of today's conference, local implementation, regional integration, global transformation, could not be more timely. As the global community navigates an era of uncertainty and transition, the relevance of environmental, social, and governance principles, ESG, is no longer up for debate. ESG is not merely a corporate obligation. It's a strategic imperative and a moral duty. As a university that champions innovation, access, and impact, Asia E University believes education is a critical enabler of ESG transformation. By embedding ESG values into teaching, research, and community engagement, we cultivate a new generation of ethical leaders, responsible entrepreneurs, and informed citizens who are ready to respond to the complex challenges of our time. The academia-industry policy nexus must therefore work in concert to drive sustainable outcomes that go beyond compliance and create real measurable impact. Today's sessions are rich with insight and direction from how ESG standards are evolving across borders to strategies for embedding sustainability into business models and inspiring case studies of how local action can influence regional and global outcomes. Our expert speakers today will be sharing practical tools, frameworks, and bold ideas that we can take back to our organizations and institutions. I would like to commend the 4 joint organizers: Center for Environmental Sustainability and Water Security, IPASA, of UTM, the School of Professional Executive Education Development Speed of Asia University, MAB Academy, and Intuition, for their vision and collaboration in curating such a meaningful and forward-looking conference. Your collective leadership and shared passion for shaping a more resilient and inclusive future are truly commendable. We also extend our sincere appreciation to our event partners and supporters, the Institute of Singapore Chartered Accountants, ISCA, the Energy Industries Council, EIC, Sama-Sama Hotel, KLIA, the Borneo Post, LECOS, and ProTem. Your collective support reflects a strong and growing cross-sectoral commitment to advancing sustainability, integrity, and responsible growth across the region. Let this conference be more than just a platform for discussion. Let it be a catalyst for action, for partnerships, and for renewed sense of purpose in the way we lead, govern, and grow. On that note, I wish everyone a productive and inspiring day ahead. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Nur Raihan, for the welcome address.